wake up at 7 a.m. New skincare. It like burns the back. Pretty undecided.
Beats.
We're actually switching to a new blanket because it's getting cold. Max's little fish and rice topper. He starts to go so crazy for this. Easy. Easy. Wait. Wait. I didn't even say go yet, but okay. I'm gonna make this little apple cider drink. Only a little in case it doesn't taste good. I feel like that should be enough. The honey is to make it taste better. It just kind of smells like apple cider vinegar. It's way too hot. I really can't drink it. It like burns the back of my throat. I was gonna start studying right away, but Kevin said that he's gonna be on his way home soon. But I'm gonna get changed because we're probably going to eat lunch together and then probably run some errands. These only have to get cut in half, so it's easy to eat with the chicken.
Feels kind of rubbery when you rub the starch in. That's probably too much.
That means they're oil. I don't know how I'm gonna mix this. I got new skincare today. It came in after I got back from work. So for some reason, I've had really bad fungal acne for like the past year or two. So I had to find ones that do both, and it literally took me forever. But the first one I got is this Etude House Sunjung Whip Cleanser. I actually used the foam cleanser for a long time. That's like the one that I was using right now. And apparently that one is not fungal acne safe. So I just switched to this one because I really liked this one when I used it like a couple years ago. And then we have this Purito Oat and Calming Gel Cream. I've actually never used any of their products, so I'm really excited to try it out. I still have to find a sunscreen that doesn't have fungal acne triggering ingredients, but so far I feel like this is pretty good. Look how cute. I'm so excited to use these. Hopefully my fungal acne starts to go away because it's actually been bothering me for a really long time now. Literally the best makeup remover for combination skin. So nice and finish a module that I was working on last night. So now that I'm done, I wanted to give you guys a small fall clothing haul. Okay, so I wasn't actually planning to try them on, but I kind of want to know what you guys think because I'm like pretty undecided about these still. So this cardigan is from Brandy Melville. I think it fits really nicely and it's really warm and not itchy at all, which is actually a really big problem for me because my skin is super sensitive that I get really itchy with most of like the thicker sweaters and cardigans. And then I have this plain white tank top from Pull & Bear. It was only $10, so. And then I got these jeans from PacSun. I'm actually thinking about returning these because I just feel like they don't look good on me. I don't know, I feel like I just look like my legs are too short. Let me see if I can show you in the mirror. I feel like I look so much shorter. Maybe I'm just like uncomfortable with it because I've never worn jeans like this, but I really don't know. Next, I got this beautiful like plaid checkered, I don't even know, skirt from Mushinsa. It's definitely more of a summer vibe, but I love this one so much. I feel like I could wear it in the fall time, but I would have to wear like leggings because it is pretty thin, and I still don't know like what kind of tops to wear with it. I feel like with the cardigan, it kind of makes it look a little bulky, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna style it yet. And then I also got this top from Pull & Bear. It's kind of like a sweater top. It is so soft and it feels so nice. I really like this little tie detail because I feel like a lot of my outfits are pretty basic, so this is a very cute addition to my outfits. I actually got this because I thought I would look cute as like a work shirt, but I actually don't think I would mind wearing it out at all. Not with this skirt, maybe like a black mini skirt if I wore it out, but it's so cute. Okay, so I changed into the skirt that I showed you guys earlier because me and Kevin are going to his parents' house for kind of like a early dinner.
Other house to use the bathroom, and I was not able to use
Just really tiny.
They need help.
I was literally talking about I love
It's just over. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so heavy. When's, oh, that's an hour away. One of the ideas.
I thought you were gonna about the time that you eat a whole plate. Pancake?
Wrapped around.
I can't believe you're not gonna get him for.
I can't.
You get me for every single slip of land.
He will physically attack me.
I'm just following your hand.
I don't care.
Oh my god. So yeah, that's literally. Is it even gonna break?
No, yep, it's gonna. Okay, well, I guess it's yours.
Oh, I need to go to the dentist.
You guys are supposed to just take a bite and eat.
The one that comes out just in time.
Is that nice?
Oh my gosh. Good morning. So it's actually 8:52 right now. I had to wake up at 7 a.m. because we're planning to go to a farmer's market today, and I wasn't able to film anything of like me getting ready because I was literally rushing to try and put this outfit together, which I don't even know if I like it or not still. Let's see. My camera's like tilted.
I want to get some air tomatoes. Okay. Colorful too, yeah.
Chai crunch donut, cinnamon streusel donut.
Yep.
Okay. Dang, are you
Why is
struggling?
Kevin so good at this? Why am I
Not really
fucking
at all.
sucking at it?
You got the same one? Yep. I got
Oh shit. I also got a breakfast sandwich. It's huge.
They're tipping.
It's good.
That's nice.
It's almost like a salad.
Do almost everything separate.
Yeah, sourdough brioche donut.
That was the pumpkin cake. This one?
Kevin's mom made these little yo-yos.
Festival of balloons.
Oh, I just didn't. Oh, why is he not scared of it? I'm not looking good at it. Since I didn't do like any studying or anything today, I felt like I needed to push myself to do it before the end of the night, but I actually changed my mind. I think I'm just going to watch K-dramas and relax for the rest of the night, just because I do have work tomorrow and my brain already hurts. I'm just going to relax, eat some snacks, and enjoy the rest of my night. So I think I'm going to end the video here actually. I hope this video was fun for you guys. This is typically what my weekends look like, is normally a large amount of food every day, because it's kind of like catching up on all the stuff that I wasn't able to cook throughout the week, but I was like kind of craving. So I'm happy that I was able to share that with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys look forward to next week's video. Night.